But we heard about the creator economy and people telling you can jump in and make money doing what you want. But a lot of people are making money from YouTube. And on YouTube, many people are surviving from the ad revenue. But the ad revenue is not consistent. Sometimes it's up, sometimes it's down. And sometimes you wonder what is going on. So how can you build something in the creator economy that doesn't depend entirely on ad revenue? Well, there are various ways, and I'm going to share with you some. And of course, you can decide on what you want to do at the end of the day. So go ahead, let's get going. Now, relying solely on ad revenue like YouTube AdSense or TikTok Creator Fund or the YouTube Partner Program is not only risky but often unsustainable, especially for small or mid-tier creators. Thankfully, there are many available ways to monetize beyond ads. One of those ways is paid subscription memberships. Offer exclusive content or perks to paying subscribers on a monthly or annual basis. This is good for creators with a loyal audience who want deep connection, behind the scenes content, or access. So you're gonna, as you have followers, some of them are gonna want more information, deeper information, more one-on-one, so to speak. Create that exclusive content, and with that content, you can charge membership, subscription. You can do it through YouTube, you can do it through Patreon, you can also do it through systems like system.io, Stand Store, that are payment systems that you can use, collect that money while you continue to provide value. So go ahead, set up your membership, your subscription, and start making additional money other than just ad revenue. Another thing you can do is digital products, right? You sell your knowledge, expertise, or creative assets as downloadable products, right? This is best for creators who have deep skills in a niche: photography, business, writing, design, coding, coaching, etc. Right? Some of the products you can create are ebooks, templates, courses. These are all digital products, and you can put them up on sites like Gumroad, Podia, Teachable, Lemon Squeezy, Payheap, Amazon, Etsy. You choose what is best for you. Put them there and start selling them. So create a digital products. So that way you no longer have to depend on the unreliable and unsustainable ad revenue. Freelancing or creative services. That's another thing you can do. Offer your skill to others like designing, editing, writing, coaching, etc. This is great for people who are multi-skilled and want to monetize their time, especially when audience is small. For example, you're a YouTuber who also edit videos for other YouTubers. You're a TikTok creator offering product photography. Or you're a Twitter ghostwriter for entrepreneurs. Because a lot of people don't have time to write. In fact, there are a lot of people who don't even like to write. So if you can do that too, why not? Go ahead. Offer that service. So that way, you are making additional income and you are not fully dependent on ad revenues, because that's one of the biggest challenges right now in the creator economy. It's not by accident only a few people are making money, and only a very small percentage are making enough to live full time on it. And the good thing is you don't have to be that one, don't have to be among those small percentages. You can be one of the Mr. Beast pulling in 50 million or more. No, it's not impossible. It is very possible to do that. And you don't have to do it just from ad revenues. You can do it through these other things that I'm sharing with you. Another thing is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest additional source of income you can create, because you're not creating any product. You're simply getting a link from a company that already exists to sell their products that they're already marketing. So you just simply share the link, and the more people come and click on that link and make a purchase, is the more commission you get. It's that simple. It is one of the easiest things anybody can do. And Amazon Associate is one of the most known affiliates, and of course they have a variety of products, and you yourself is buying products on Amazon. Have you gotten back some of the money when you purchase? No, because you're not an affiliate. What if you're an affiliate? Then you use your own link, make the purchase so you can get back some of that money. Now, of course, I'm no expert on all of these things. Get expert advice and then you move forward accordingly. But the options are there, so make use of them. Merchandise, physical or digital. Sell branded or custom designed physical products to your audience. Creators with strong brand identity or inside jokes memes. Example, you can sell t-shirts, hoodies, mugs with your logo or sayings, art prints, enamel pins, custom stickers, limited drops. You have platforms like Printful. Now, Printful and Printify are good for print on demand. You ever see those t-shirts people selling? You think they have those t-shirts? No, that's just the image. And when you click it to buy, it goes to the supplier. The supplier do all the work, take their part of the money, and send the rest to the persons whose website you went on. You can do it too. And the best part is, you don't pay for it. You only pay when time there's sales. So every time you're paying money to the supplier, that's a good thing, because it means you're making sale. And if you're not making sale, you don't have to worry because you're not paying for anything. The only thing you do is put in the effort, let people know about your stuff, and then move on from there. Another thing you can do to expand your income source, that way you don't have to depend on ad revenue only to make money, is live events, workshops, meetups. Host virtual or in-person events and charge for attendance or VIP access. This is good for creators in education, coaching, music, or any niche where real-time interaction matters. Right? You can have a live workshop on video editing, a creator-led retreat or mastermind, virtual concert or AMAs. You can use platforms like Eventbrite, Zoom, Luma, Hopin, Discord. You can use something called System.io. There are various ways you can do this. There are various ways. The technology already exists. You can start for free and then you start to charge, right? And some of these software, you start them for free, and then when you want more advanced features, you start paying. So it is possible to make money outside of just ad revenue if you're willing to put in the work, if you're willing to search, if you're willing to find the options, and if you're willing to just stay long enough for it to work. Don't just depend on ad revenues like everybody else. Diversify. Podcast sponsorship, direct or platform based. Monetize audio content by partnering with sponsors or offering paid on episodes. This is best for podcasters with consistent downloads and engaged listeners. For example, sponsored ad reads like Skillshare Audible or premium feed. Right? You can use platforms like Spotify for podcasters, Supercast for premium audio feeds. You can use Patreon, integrated RSS, or Acast, AACSD, or Red Circle ad networks. Why it works? Audio attention spans are long. Listeners trust creators more, so conversion rates are higher. So you can explore that option. Maybe it is for you, maybe it's not for you. Doesn't matter. Right? Look at the options. Do the one that you think is for you, or even try all of them, because you never know which is going to be for you until you actually do it. So do it, then decide, okay, this is for me or this is not for me. Another thing you can do to increase your revenue outside of ad revenue is sell NFTs, digital collectibles. Sell tokenized digital goods, art, or access passes using blockchain. This is good for artists, musicians, Web3 savvy creators. Examples are exclusive music tracks, access FATs, NFTs for private events, collectible digital artwork or comics. Now, Gary Vee is very good at this, and he's building out his own NFT empire. And you can just watch him, see what he does, if you're interested in this type of thing. If it's not your thing, then it's not your thing. But this is an option. And you have platforms like Zora, OpenSea, Manifold, Foundation, Mirror, .xyz. Is these platforms where you can sell it on, and some of them offer you the option like OpenSea to create these NFCs. So go ahead, explore them, do them, enjoy them, monetize them. Licensing content or IP, that's intellectual property. Let others pay to use your content, videos, music, photos, designs, or writing. It is best for creators with evergreen high quality work. Example, stock assets, viral content. So you can sell photos on platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe. You can let brands use your viral video in TikTok. You see a lot of these videos have audio in them, right? License your music for YouTube videos or podcasts, right? And you have platforms like Getty Images, you have Artlint and Epidemic Sound, you have Blackbox, you have Lick as an LICKD. All of these you can license your stuff on. So like Shutterstock, you can license your photography. What does it mean? You upload it, which means you're giving them permission to use it, and every time somebody make a sale, you get your money. You have Epidemic Sound, where if you like music or different sound, including sound effects or music, a lot of the music you hear on YouTube videos is Epic Sound. And if you create that music and you put it on Epic Sound, every time somebody goes to use that in their video, you get paid. You have LICKD, Lick, for music licensing. So again, you can put your music there as well, so that people can use it in their videos and even their songs. There are musicians right now who purchase the beat for their songs, and they're doing well. Remember that song Old Town Road? That was a multi-platinum hit. The singer actually bought that song. Then he made a song on top of that rhythm, put it on YouTube, and the rest was history. So go ahead, license your work. You can do that too. And of course, you can crowdfund for projects or launches. Raise funds from your audience for a specific project or product, usually with rewards. So you're inviting people to say, okay, if you like this idea that I have, help me by putting in some money. And in return, this is what you're going to get. That's another way. That's another way for bringing in revenue outside of ad revenues. Now, this is good for creators who are launching books, games, film, music albums, or tools. Examples are like comic book launch, short film or podcast, game development funding. So those are various ways that you can use to create additional income other than ad revenue. I am Leroy A. Brown from leroyabrown.ca. Thank you for joining me. And go ahead, create that extra money and start earning other than ad revenues.